My mother's father and her uncle have been in the business since the 30s. Sitting around the kitchen table with my mom and dad, and we would talk about the products. We would tape PSA discs onto the refrigerator, and they would all be glued by hand. It's in our grain. It's in our blood.
We're lucky in our position in that we sell the product to end users, so we know exactly what they're looking for. And from our days when we used to purchase surface conditioning material, we know that a big thing is product consistency, product performance. We have invested in the production line, inline measurements, inline QC controls to measure the parameters that are key to a good product. Well, the exciting thing that this non-woven line has given us is that we're able to get into a whole load of new technologies, particularly non-woven unitized and non-woven convolute wheels. Another product which we're really excited about is a much more aggressive product that's aimed at more specifically weld removal, TIG welds on stainless steel, weld spatter on mild steel, and it'll do this job very quickly. This is bridging the gap between a resin fiber disc or a flat disc to surface conditioning material.
We have put together a structure of strong individuals for quality, for development, for sales, for marketing, for globalizing our company. The company is only as good as the people that work in the business. And what is most exciting is being able to be a real manufacturer, American manufacturer, not just converting product, but making it from the grains and the raw materials and processing it from the beginning. When I see an American flag and I raise that flag up and I see that when I drive up to my office in the morning, that is American manufacturing, and that excites me.